Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Royal Enfield Continental GT 650. Beautiful twin-cylinder, retro-style sport. This bike is gorgeous. It's got the brace on the front forks, gaiters, bar end mirrors, adjustable levers, and a beautiful two-tone paint scheme. I love the silver polished engine and these megaphone exhaust, piggyback shocks, and it's got that really cool rear seat cowl. Gives it a real retro feel. Come on by and make your 650 twin retro dreams come true with this gorgeous Continental GT. Only $49.99. This bike is not going to be here long. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.